Our goal as a company here at Adams Polishes is to constantly progress our products forward. Adams Polishes Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating Advanced is the next evolution of our robust, sprayable ceramic coating. The Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating Advanced now has 15% of the active ceramic ingredient, whereas the previous version had 7.5%. This now puts a thicker layer of graphene ceramic protection. You can expect 2+ years of graphene ceramic protection on all exterior surfaces. Spray it into an applicator, cross-hatch it onto the exterior surface, let it rainbow. As the rainbow dissipates, you wipe it away, and now your car is protected with the robust graphene protection that everybody loves.